Good morning, 7th graders. Ms. Collier just posted the electronic journaling, so I want to give you an overview and introduction on how to do that. So Ms. Collier has clearly listed directions in both the e-reading log document and the e-writing log document for you to create a journal for your reading and for your writing. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple, but the thing is, once you set up your Google document, you want to share it with Ms. Collier in order to keep adding to that same document. So once you create an e-reading log and an e-writing log, from now on, all of your reading reflection questions, all the assignments that you have to upload will be onto that document, and everything for your writing will also be on one document. You'll just keep adding to the pages, and I'll show you how to set that up. All right, so first things first, I'm going to set up the e-reading log. So I'm going to click into Ms. Collier's instructions. She says, I'll be posting daily reading prompts. Make a copy of the question/prompt and start your own electronic reading journal. Save as e-reading log your first initial, last name. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to go over to my apps. I'm going to click on Docs. And I'm going to create a new doc. I'm going to title it e-reading log underscore first initial last name. Boom, that easy. And I'm going to change my font to Times New Roman size 12. Just that's more of a preference. All right, now I'm going to go back real quick. So I did that. Example, e-reading log, C. Collier. Awesome. All journal entries should be 7th grade paragraph. So here's the journal entry for today. Monday, March 23rd, 2020, using FAST, feelings, actions, spoken words, thoughts. Characterization method that we have already learned today. We will focus on your character feelings. Use the link for this feeling character trait list and pick 2 to 3 feelings that your main character has at the beginning of your novel. Back it up with text-based evidence. What events made your character feel this way? If this happened to you, would you feel the same way? Do you think their feelings may change in the story? Make a prediction. So I'm going to copy the question, because that's what Ms. Collier said in the directions. I'm going to go to my log, and I'm going to hit Control V and copy the question. Awesome. Now let's see what else we had to do. I'll be posting daily reading prompts, make a copy, question prompts. I'm pretty sure we have to also date it too. So today, do J long. It is 3/23/20, and then a character in my book, my brother Sam is dead. Tim Meeker feels worried. Tim is also scared that his older brother might die. Tim is worried and scared because his older brother is fighting against the British in the American Revolutionary War. The author states on page 14. I didn't know what to say to Sam's girlfriend. I didn't want to tell father. Sorry, I'm trying to read this off the book. Trying to tell father Sam was back. I also didn't want Sam running off to war again. What if he dies? These thoughts and feelings show that the main character is worried about his brother. The reader can also see that his feelings are tearing his family apart. Tim doesn't want to lie to his father, and he also doesn't want to betray his brother Sam. If I was in this situation, I would probably tell my father. I wouldn't want Sam to die, and I would be super worried that someone would kill him in war. So see how I did that? Uh-oh, happened again. So I answered in text-based evidence. What events made your character feel this way? If this happened to you, would you feel the same way? Do you think your feelings may change in the story? Make a prediction. I'm gonna say that. I think Tim's feelings may change in the future because the British were defeated by the Americans. Tim may change his mind about his brother and the war. So his brother can keep fighting for American freedom. Now, I was kind of pausing a few times and trying to think about what I'm writing, and this is really what we expect from you guys. You should be thoughtfully responding to the assignment. Okay, now that's just me addressing my first log, and I could write more, but let me quickly show you how to set up that e-reading log. Now here's the thing, I'm going to share this with Ms. Collier. I just hit that blue share button up at the top, and I would just share with Ms. Collier. Right, I'm not going to do that right now, but you should hit send to share with Ms. Collier and with me as well. But let me show you how to set up your writing log. So I'm going to go back to the assignment. Going to click into e-writing. Again, you have to set up your writing log. Ms. Collier shared a link. Awesome. So I'm just going to go back to Google. Oh, that's my personal account. There we go. Open up Docs. Create a new doc. writing underscore J-Long. So that's simple. I would share it with Miss Collier and with myself. I'm not going to do that because, you know. And I would do the same thing. Monday, March 23rd, 2020. I'm going to copy and paste this right into my thing. Control C. Control V. And boom. J-Long. 2/23/20. Focus on the feelings. Imagine that you are a character in your own story. How have you been feeling? How has being out of school affected you in a good or bad way? Is life at home what you expected it to be? Why or why not? Okay, so a lot of good questions to answer. So first thing to do, I'm going to indent. How have you been feeling? I have felt a bit worried because of the people living in my household. I live next to Maxwell Field with my wife's family. We just moved in to their house to save up money to buy our own someday. Oh, own someday. My wife's parents are older, so they have to be very careful with what is going on. We also have two babies living with us, so I am worried about their health. My wife, Lauren, is also has asthma, so that could become a problem with what is going on in the world. This is what has me worried. However, spending all of this time with my family has been incredible. I get to see more of my son every day. I get to have breakfast with my wife. I also get to send instructional videos to my students. And I would keep on writing and answering those journal questions. But see how I'm writing complete sentences, writing paragraphs. It's not just one big long paragraph. Paragraphs are a thing, guys. All right, so this video was much longer, but it should help you out with setting up your e-writing and your e-reading logs. All right, have a good day, guys. Let me know if you need any help.